Zapiapi, Diana Chianke, Chate Washde Napichi Zapi, Na Tachulutami, Bukota, Machiapi, Na Shwan Matoniva, Roshichia Imachiapi, Na Ia Voslaha Imataha. Hello, my relatives. It is good to see you. I greet you all with a heartfelt handshake. My Lakota name is Red Deer Woman, and my government issue name is Siobhan Tudors. I come from the Sandy Rock Sioux tribe. So, what do you picture when you hear hemp houses?
Weeds.
Pretty much. So, is it a weed house made from marijuana? The answer is both yes and no. Hemp houses are made from a hempcrete solution, which is derived from the non-psychoactive marijuana plant called hemp. It's mixed with limestone with a little bit of water to create what we call hempcrete. It's kind of like concrete, but with less chemicals and a lot more beneficial than concrete homes. So have you ever wanted to build your own home and wanted it to be beneficial to your family that would last a lifetime? That would be impenetrable to pests, mold, fire resistant, and would be able to be handed down from generations to generations? Well, today, I'm going to persuade you about the benefits of building hemp homes with hempcrete. Hemp houses are made from hempcrete. What is hempcrete? A little bit like concrete, only more environmental friendly and cost efficient. How do you make hempcrete? Hempcrete, or hemp concrete, being a carbon negative, carbon consuming material, is a great alternative for contractors to use in construction works. Hempcrete is prepared by mixing hemp chives, the inner woody core of the hemp plant, water, and lime as the binding agent. Now, there is a significant need for homes, especially on the reservations. A lot of people, especially single people with no kids or elderly, or even homeless people, they don't have the luxury of being able to move into a home on a reservation because there's no housing. There's like lack of housing on the reservation. There's lack of funds, lack of building supplies. So a great solution for this would be to use hempcrete to build quality hemp homes for the people with cost-efficient materials. It's environmental friendly. And according to Marcy Rendon from Circle Native American News and Arts, she interviewed Danny, I can't say his last name, but he's an industrial hemp construction project manager. And the housing program has built the first hempcrete side-by-side emergency housing shelter in Minnesota for tribal members, as well as the first 4-bedroom house. And they are currently putting up 1-bedroom tiny homes using fabricated hempcrete panels. By spring of 2024, they plan to build a 3-bedroom elder unit to conventional housing specs to do a comparative study with the non-hemp homes the tribe has built for elders. These studies will look at things like internal temperature regulation, air quality, and moisture resistance. All environmental benefits promoted within the hempcrete industry. So building homes and tiny homes for single families and the homeless on the reservation using hempcrete would provide better housing at a lower price. So we would have to educate the people to vote to legalize growing hemp for more environmental friendly options. This is what a hempcrete block looks like. You use it as an external, internal wall insulation, floors, roof, underneath the floors, to use it as plasters for insulating older buildings and renovations. There's the hemp, lime, and water flame and water and pest resistant, strong, it's lightweight, energy efficient, incredible insulation, naturally non-toxic, and lasts hundreds of years. This is what a hemp home looks like. There's more hempcrete blocks. They come in different sizes. Hempcrete has a negative carbon footprint of 72.0 kilograms of wall, which makes hempcrete block construction energy efficient and eco-friendly technique. The construction doesn't take much time and reduces the labor costs and results in a cleaner site. Hempcrete is a low thermal mass material, which means that it absorbs the heat during the day and emits it out during the night, thus providing energy cost savings. Hempcrete is a microbe and a parasite resistant material. Hempcrete blocks have a fire rating of 60 to 120 minutes. The low U value thermal transmittance and enhanced insulation of hempcrete blocks help deliver low operational costs through reduced heating and cooling requirements. Hempcrete blocks are light in weight and are easy to transport and handle. Hempcrete blocks have excellent heat and sound insulation properties. Hempcrete blocks help in constituting movable walls. And this is the Lower Sioux Hemp and Housing Program. They're leading the way for Native communities to utilize hemp for sustainable, energy-efficient housing, and is the first project in Minnesota to provide seed-to-wall hempcrete. These are what little tiny houses would look like. And the cost. Depending, give or take, would be about 10 to 200,000.